Yo, what is up? It's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. This unboxing video is actually extra special because I got my Christmas gift. It is here. It is wonderful. It is amazing. So today on AMPM unboxing, we're going to be opening up the HomePod Mini. See you in a bit. We back with our super sharp knife. Shout out to my cuz for giving me this knife. Pretty cool, but we're gonna be opening up the HomePod Mini. I'm gonna let you know what's inside this cool little box and let you see what goodies you can expect. Oh, a knife flew off the way. As we get closer to Christmas, this is gonna be a lot of unboxing on the channel. So I hope you like it. So this is the front of the box, shows you what probably the actual size of the Mini looks like. It's pretty small, pretty cute, pretty awesome. HomePod Mini has little sound waves effects onto the lettering on the side. Oh, we have the same thing there. The back we got us at Best Buy, so just a little sticker on top of that. Below that we have some deets. And the top shows you exactly what it looks like when you're using the device. Apple usually typically has a little thing to unbox this thing up with, but we'll just use the blade. They usually have like a little tab somewhere that you can use. But like always, a super sharp knife cut through plastic wrapping like butter. Alright, take off all of the wrapping, and then we get a better look at what it looks like. See that? That's cool. Cool. I'm so excited. This is just slide out like nobody's business. Come on. There we go. Woo! I was gonna say iPod. No, it's the HomePod Mini. I'm pulling it out. Ooh! What we got here is a little butte. It's kind of a little dirty on the top. Yeah. But that's pretty sick. It kind of looks like the HomePod quite a bit. Kind of like the same texture, kind of the same little top over that. But this is pretty cool. It's one little device, and we'll just keep digging deeper and see what we have inside. Ooh! What we have here is a wall adapter. It's probably 20 watts. And then what we have here is the instruction manual. Yep, we don't need to read that. As we have said many times previously on the channel, we are gamers, so we automatically know how things naturally work. We have a little holder here, but I can't get the sticker out. There's a sticker underneath. Like with all Apple products, it comes with sticks that you can put on top of your notebook, your car, whatever you want, and show that you're part of the Apple gang. We have so many of these things, it's nuts. Right here is the adapter. I'm gonna pull it off. Ooh. We have a little gloss finish on it, and it is white. Kind of disappointing because this whole thing is black. Look, the cable's black, thing's black, and then this adapter is white. I understand why they probably didn't want to manufacture any black ones, because it probably costs like twice as much to do so. But they also have a white HomePod Mini, but I didn't get that because white doesn't go with my aesthetic. Black does. And so, just a bit disappointing that is the case. I'm sure somebody's gonna but probably make a black adapter so it looks pretty snazzy with everything else. Plugs in like that. It's USB-C, which is pretty nice. I bet you can plug right into the computer, and you can use this as like an external speaker. Here on the bottom we have the Apple logo and a little soft pad for it. It's really soft, actually. It's really nice, so it can sit on your table and not, like, you know, damage it. Pretty cool. Totally digging this. This is super nice, super cool. And let's see how long this cord is. Probably about 6 feet long. Yeah. So there's some room where you can plug it into it. I got this for my bedroom, so I can plug it right in to my nightstand, so then when I'm feeling a little bit sleepy, put on some whale music and then go to sleep. Or let me hear the soothing raindrops of the Pacific Northwest, and they'll play that for me.
Hey Siri, play rain.
Okay, here's rain sounds.
Hey Siri, volume up.
And then if I want to get a little bit funky, I'd be like, put on some Britney Spears and I'll dance in my room. You know, all those cool stuff you can do with music inside your room. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really tiny though. It's kind of like the size of a softball, pretty much. It's pretty surprising the size comparison from this to like the actual HomePod. The HomePod is actually pretty big, but the sound on the HomePod is pretty good, and I'm expecting this to be just as loud and sexy as the HomePod. But the Mini is so cool. So if you're like an Apple person, this is like a must-buy, I think, this holiday season. So pick up one of these for every room in your house, and then you'll be all set with the music when you're walking from room to room. And then you can be also hooked up to your phone, so you can listen to the podcast while you take a shower, or if you're in the bedroom about to go to sleep, you can listen to like a crime podcast and then fall asleep all scared. But yeah, so that's the unboxing for y'all. Hope you like it. It's a Christmas edition. Probably a lot more coming. You'll see what is on stock or in stores or whatever the case may be for the AMPM adventures. We're going to unbox it all for you. So if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, hit the heart there. Hit the sub button. If you want to see any more unboxings on our channel, let us know what you want to see open up, and we'll try to see if we can get that done for y'all. Otherwise, peace.